Most gas has ethanol in it, and ethanol is notorious for attracting and holding onto water in your engine. And these engines can sit around for weeks, even months between starts. But now, that famous STP engine protection is available for small motors too. STP fuel stabilizer is formulated for the on-season and especially for storing during the off-season, protecting against the damaging effects of ethanol in both your 2- and 4-cycle engines. 1 ounce of this treats up to 2.5 gallons of gas, and the bottle does the measuring for you. Remove the cap and seal on the dosing chamber, squeeze the bottle to right level, and pour. And don't worry, it's nearly impossible to overtreat. And for larger doses, just use the measurements on the side of the bottle as a guide and pour it straight in. And if you want to give your engine a deep clean too, just use STP Small Engine Ethanol Fuel System Cleaner with Fuel Stabilizer to help restore and maintain maximum small engine performance. This little 2-ounce bottle will treat up to 5 gallons of fuel. Just open it up, add it to your gas, you're good to go. Remember, these are great machines and they can last a long time if you treat them right. STP, inside every great machine.